What is eyewitness identification in court? Imagine being in a room where someone is accused of a crime, and a person in the room points to a suspect and says, "That's the person I saw." That's what eyewitness identification is all about. It's when someone who saw a crime recognizes and identifies the person they believe committed it. This kind of evidence plays a big role in court cases because it's based on what a person saw and remembers. Usually, law enforcement helps witnesses recognize suspects through specific procedures. One common method is called a show-up, where police show a single person to the witness soon after the crime. The witness then says if that person is the one they saw. Another method is a lineup, where the witness looks at a group of people or photographs. Among them is the suspect, along with others called fillers, who look similar but are innocent. The witness is asked to pick out the suspect from the group. Police choose which method to use based on how reliable the witness is and what other evidence they have. The American Law Institute recommends that police have good reasons to do these procedures so they don't accidentally make mistakes. In court, the witness will be asked to identify the suspect either by pointing them out in the courtroom or by describing how they recognized them earlier. Courts are very careful with eyewitness identification because human memory can sometimes be wrong. If a pretrial identification was suggestive or unfair, the court might exclude that evidence. Sometimes, experts are called to explain how memory works and why eyewitness identification can sometimes be unreliable. Judges also give instructions to jurors, telling them to consider how well the witness saw the suspect, how sure they are, and how much time passed between the crime and the identification. Overall, eyewitness identification is a key type of testimonial evidence in court. It helps to identify suspects but must be used carefully to avoid wrongful convictions. Proper procedures and safeguards are in place to make sure the identification is as accurate as possible.